Namaskar, good morning, brothers and sisters, friends, ladies and gentlemen, doctors, professionals, ministers, those who are listening around the world. I welcome all. Dr. Rakesh from USA. Our present Prime Minister Narendra Modi, honorable personality who has started a number of programs for improving skills, manners, talents of the youth and citizens of our country. Mainly, he emphasized on the improvement of the skills of youth, persons, those who are good in qualifications, they must have skill, because skill make them perfect in their profession. So PMKY, which was started for making our nation strong, for making our nation self-dependent. Innovation is the concept of new ideas, devices or methods that bring better solution to meet the new requirements. Unarticulated or exciting needs for the society. It is accomplished through more effective products, processes, technologies, services or business models which become readily available to the government and general masses. We may consider innovation as different changes or alterations, transformations, metamorphosis, recognitions, reorganization, restructure, rearrangement, recasting and better renovation. The inventions and discoveries are much superior but also linked with innovations. The innovation can be achieved through certain eminent qualities. One is self-confidence. The renowned scientists, artists, sportspersons, agriculturists, etc. have achieved their targets through reliable confidence. First of all, the implementation of ideas through good imagination provide the major assets to achieve success in life. The concepts of creativity is essential to take it as granted through righteous efforts. A person may possess good physical health, wealth, and other resources, but lack of self-confidence fails to provide the desired progress. The open mode of operation is more receptive, relaxed, complimentary, playful, and humorous. These aspects guide and inspire us for improvement of actions. We must perform constructive tasks with full efforts. The appreciation about your success will keep on encouraging your attempts. Try to get involved in tasks which tend to create fear in mind. The things we fear in most organizations are fluctuations, disturbances, and imbalances. Do not feel disappointed and distressed during situations of failures. Rather, try to restart the work with full devotion and confidence. Also try to analyze the problems and shortcomings so as to find righteous solutions. Contact the persons who are already in advanced state of projects as to see guidelines and motivations. Study useful books and literature to gain the necessary knowledge about particular subject. The process of raising new questions to regard old problems from new angles. New solutions require creative imagination and mark real advance in scientific projects. Once we rid ourselves of traditional thinking, we can get on with creativity of future. There will not be the requisite progress without creativity, and we would be forever repeating the same patterns. We should concentrate on the scheme and procedure of the task to achieve the goal or destination. Acquire the latest skill from expert personnels. Adopt better practice. Make arrangements for required equipments, time management, and introspections of improvements at regular intervals. The time, talents, and energy are natural and divine gifts to mankind. The achievements of success in any field kindles our enthusiasm and motivates us to venture on innovative concepts. The events of failures tend to discourage our thoughts, and the mind acquires feebleness, which tends to create disinterest for a particular task. You must develop strong winning spirit. Take the defeat as a challenge. Investigate upon the causes of failures. Learn from the qualities of winners so as to improve upon personal status. However, certain theories of innovations cause toilsome troubles and danger. When you are keen to achieve your goal, you have to move steadily towards it with commitment, patience, strong will, and perseverance. What are the noble thoughts and aspirations for improving the skill? These are everlasting sources of strength, stability, and peace. The splendid thoughts are the foundations of inner joy and cheers. The best motivation is provided through our spiritual guide. Seek initiation, concentrate on regular prayer and method of meditation so as to gain the spiritual willpower and divine bliss. The joy inside means the delight outside and everywhere. Let nothing hinder your endeavor to achieve this noble objective which you set for yourself. The strong tides of life push the man forward to the mainstream of present condition. It brings us up. Really, it helps in bringing the nation up. The strong tides of life push the man forward to the mainstream of present, which merges into future as the time advances. Overcome inadequately. Carry on forward movements without reluctance towards a glorious future. The courage confers the ability to face and endure fear, danger, or sufferings for a cause. Both courage and bravery are required upon rough storms of life. For achieving the excellence in the selected fields of activities and overcoming the low state of mind during the moments of distress. According to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, introspect about these principles. I am the best. I can do it. Goodness is always within. I am the winner and today is my day. So, avoid negative intentions, disappointments, despair and pessimistic outlook disturb self-confidence. Positive thinking leads to physical, mental strength. It is not good to have friendship with persons of evil and negative belief. Let us clear our misunderstanding, anger, resentment, fear, guilt, rejection, failures, envy, misbehavior, impatience, mistakes, and adverse feelings. Our mind is architect and director of our thought and action. We should exert our full command on our mind so as to perform willful and prominent activities. The device, contrivance or process of innovation originates after study and experiments. According to versions of renowned philosopher Trade 1903, the process of innovation requires the consideration, gain proper knowledge of the subject, develop positive attitude to implement the new ideas, analyze the decision to adopt or reject the new products, implementation and use confirmation of the decision. The Department of Science and Technology has established the National Innovation Foundation, India at Ahmedabad since 2000. NIF has taken major initiation to serve the knowledge rich but economically poor people of the country. It is committed to making India innovative by documenting, adding values, protecting the intellectual property reflects of the contemporary unaided technological innovator as well as outstanding traditional knowledge holders. It helps to disseminate their innovations on commercial and non-commercial basis. NIF has now established links with KIIT University, Bhubaneswar, 26/6/16, when Dr. Harshvardhan, Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, Government of India, visited NIF Ahmedabad. The person ready for attempt of innovation must possess large scale vision, but take regular small steps to get there. One has to be humble but well determined to execute the imaginary and gigantic